Hello learners, today I am going to teach you second part of enemy chapter from Vistra's book. Next MCQ is, who said it clear what our master ought to do? Yumi, Takima, the old gardener, Hana. Correct answer is the old gardener. Next question is, what kind of person General was? Cruel and selfish, kind and helping, wise, none. Correct answer is cruel and selfish. The general said it would be best if he could be quietly escaped, killed, dipped, drowned. Correct answer is escaped. Tokonoma is a Japanese word which means door, niche, gallery, yard. Correct answer is gallery. The American professor was the expert of anatomy, skeleton system, nervous system, none. Correct answer is anatomy. Why did doctor become irritable, impatient with his patient? Because of general pressure. Many patients were there. Because of his inability to leave the white man to help his distressed wife. None. Correct answer is because of his inability to leave the white man to help his distressed wife. Next question is, why did Dr. Sadao speak sharply to his wife? To get her help, to stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man, to get the things he needed, none of these. Correct answer is B. To stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man. Next question is, what was Hannah's reaction over the husband's words? She cried, she wept, she stopped helping him, she held her mouth with her hand and vomited outside of the operation room. Correct answer is D. She held her mouth with her hand and vomited outside of the operation room. Why did Dr. Sadao give his flashlight to the enemy soldier? To help him, to show him the way, so that he could send him signal? None. Correct answer is so that he could send him signal. Why did Dr. Sadao help an enemy soldier? Because he was his friend, because he was his relative, because he was an ethical and sincere doctor, none of these. Correct answer is because he was an ethical and sincere doctor. Next question is, the American landlady had once helped Sadao when she gave him food, she nursed him through influenza, mended his cloth, none of these. Correct answer is she nursed him through influenza. Sadao removed the bullet from close to soldiers' lung, heart, kidney, liver. Correct answer is kidney. The soldier had been beaten, shot, stabbed, stopped. Correct answer is shoot. Why did Dr. Sadao go to America? To find a suitable girl, as a tourist, to study medicine? None of these. Correct answer is to study medicine. Why did General not pass order to arrest Dr. Sadao for sheltering a white man? He did not want to arrest. He was a traitor. General needed his service. He was very serious. Correct answer is General needed his service. Next question is, what does this chapter revolve around? Japan USA war, China Japan war, India Japan war, none of these. Correct answer is Japan USA war. In the end, what is Dr. Sadao reminded of? His family, face of American in his life, generous promise, his wife's help. Correct answer is faces of Americans in his life. Next question is, what was the name of professor in America? Professor Henry, Professor Harley, Professor Dickens? None. Correct answer is Professor Harley. Which color of woolen Hauri over Hana's kimono? Red, blue, green, golden. Correct answer is blue. Which type was the wife of Professor? Cruel, kind, voluble, B and C. Correct answer is voluble. From which shop did Sadao buy things for enemy? Pawn shop, pawn shop, Charlie shop? None. Correct answer is pawn shop. Who was the bird whose blood was used to fertilize a vine? Hen, duck, fowl, peahen. Correct answer is fowl. Which vine was fertilized by the fowl's blood in Japan? Hope vine, grape, wisteria? None. Correct answer is wisteria. Next question is, who cleaned the room after enemy? Yumi, General, Sweeper, both A and B. Correct answer is Yumi. Which thing did used to out of smell of enemy from the room? Dettol, sulfur, Savlon? None. Correct answer is sulfur. What happened on the seventh day? All servants went away. Yumi did not cook the food. A messenger came. Hana left home. Correct answer. All servants went away and a messenger came. Both. Sadao typed the letter to whom? Hana, servants, chief of police? None. Correct answer, chief of police. Which date he had mentioned in his letter? 21st Feb, 21 January, 23rd Feb, 23rd January. Correct answer is 21st January. Did he finish his report? Yes, no, don't know, none. Correct answer is no. Next question is, where did finished report? Desk, secret drawer of the desk, Hana's drawer, none. Correct answer is secret drawer of the desk. Who said to whom? Americans are enemy. Sadao to servant, Sadao to Hana, Hana to servant, general to Sadao. Correct answer is Sadao to Hana. What is meaning of fathom? 1 feet, 2 feet, 6 feet, 4 feet. Correct answer is 6 feet. Who was the specialist of Moses? Sadao's father, Sadao, gardener, Hana. Correct answer is gardener. Which things did Sadao use to cover bleeding? Cotton, cloth, CMOS, peels. Correct answer is CMOS. And the last one question is, who was beaten by Takima at home? His child, his wife, his servant, none of these. Correct answer is his wife. Thank you.